Values and the data type. Character sets. Character sets. There are different types of character set. Those are letters, digits, operators, and delimiters. So, letters. All letters of the English alphabet, uppercase A to Z and lowercase a to z, can be used in the Java programming. Then digits from 0 to 9 can be used for Java programming. Then the operators. Operators are categorized into three groups: arithmetic operator, relational operator, and the logical operator. In arithmetical operator, those are plus, minus, into, divide, that is slash, and module for the remainder. For the relational operator, those are the less than, greater than, equal to, not equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to. These all comes under the relational operators. Logical operator, and operator, or operator, and the not operators. Delimiter. So delimiter are a special characters in Java language. Delimiters are comma, semicolon, brush sign, square bracket. So these are used for a particular purpose. Like we use comma when same data type is used for more than one variable. Like instead of writing int a, int b, int c, what we can do? Once we'll write int, then a, comma, b, comma, c. In case of semicolon, if it is end of statement, to indicate the end of statement, we use a semicolon. Brush sign to indicate the starting and the ending of a block. So these are called the delimiter. Unicode is a standard code used to encode a character in any computer language. When a character is entered from the keyboard, a specific code is assigned by the system for its storage in the memory. The Unicode is a wide representation of the characters in numeric. So all the characters are encoded in a numeric form. It can address 1,60,755 characters in computer form in 139 modern and historic script. It means a code of each character is available under unique code character set. ASCII characters and the code. ASCII stand for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. The character used in computer systems are the ASCII code. So the ASCII codes are used while programming. So when it is deal with characters. The ASCII characters are the decimal number represented by in 7 binary digit. The range of the code is not a large as compared to Unicode, but the ASCII code is available only for a limited range of characters ranging from 0 to 127. So let's see what are the different types of ASCII characters and what are its code. Here we can see there is a list. So the ASCII characters like digit from 0 to 9. It is having a ASCII code that is from 48, 0 as 48, 1 as 49. Then from the codes ASCII character, those codes are from 48 to 57. So the character, those are the digit from 0 to 9 is represented with the ASCII code that is 48 to 57. Then comes the alphabet in uppercase. So uppercase alphabet A to Z, it is having an ASCII code from 65 till 90. Then comes the smaller case. So lowercase a to z has the ASCII code from 97 to 122. As well as there are some symbols like greater than, less than, colon. So these are having a ASCII code range from 58 to 64. Then bracket, slash, caret, all these special symbols are having its ASCII code from 91 to 96. And the ASCII code for the white space character, those are the, so ASCII white space character or a blank is having an ASCII code of is 32. So these are the ASCII code for the different ASCII character. Difference between Unicode and ASCII code. Unicode is a generalized form of coding scheme for numerous characters of different script, whereas in ASCII code is a specific code scheme used for limited characters. Unicode represent higher range of code, whereas ASCII code represent limited range of code.